my gorgeous beautiful friend, how you doing? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Of course, it's me, Joy, your friend. Hello. So today's video is really exciting. I'm going to be making this vest corset, and it's a free pattern from Sokol. She has a YouTube channel here, and I'll be linking it in the description box together with the free pattern I'll be using. So without so much talking, let's get started. But before that, if you're interested in sewing, crafts, and also fashion videos, please make sure to click the subscribe button down below and also the notification bell so you become an official friend and you'll not miss any video that I upload. So let's get sewing. So once you download your pattern, cut it up and place it on your pieces of fabric and cut out all your pieces. So I have my back strap, my side panel, and my front panel, and I've cut it out on the shell and the white fabric. So I'm going to start up with making the front dart. So I'm going to trace that on my pieces of fabric, and I'm going to match up my notches and pin that in place and take it to my sewing machine to sew. So once the darts are completed, I'm going to be matching up my two front pieces right sides facing, and I'm going to match up the darts so that they'll make a V shape and pin that in place and pin the rest of the center front and take it to my sewing machine.
My love, she sits, my love is waiting to set me free.
As you can see right here, it forms a really nice V and they match up real nice. So I'm going to grab my side panel, and with right sides facing, I'm going to pin it in place with the front panel that I just did, and I'm going to make sure that I pin it really good because I have that bust curve right there that I want it to come out real nice, and I'm going to sew it in place.
If I make this yours and you make it mine, well then we'll see. With golden...
The side panel is attached to the front panel, and I'm now going to grab the back panel that I'm going to attach to the side panel, and I'm going to make sure that my notches match up so that my patterns can really match well, and I'm going to pin that in place and sew.
So hard to find there on your own, just passing through.
So the better part of the shell is done, and I'm now left with the back strap, and I'm going to match the notches on the back strap to the notches on the front panel, and I'm going to sew that in place.
Sometime, if I make this yours and you make it mine.
So the pink shell is pretty much done, and now I'm going to work on the white shell, and I'm going to repeat the exact same steps that I did for the pink shell.
Then we'll see with golden eyes.
Once the white shell is done, I'm going to place it right sides facing with the pink shell, and I'm now going to be closing the top and the bottom, but I'm going to be leaving the center box and the topmost part of the strap so that I'll be able to turn it inside out perfectly. I lost the footage of me attaching the zipper, but I attached the zipper and top stitched all around so that they stay in place and none will go to the other side where it's not needed. And with that, I'm done with this corset. It looks so amazing. And for the zipper, I took it out later because it was not fitting and replaced it with ties at the back, which is really comfortable at this point. And I love the fact that I can wear it as white and also I can wear it as pink. I love it. As you can see right here, I matched it with this pink trouser that will be in my next video. Make sure to wait for that. Please subscribe so that you won't miss it. And this corset is really comfortable. I love it. And that's the end of the video. Bye.